Hello everyone, welcome to Brillbook. In this video, we will have a look at quick quality process for production order operation. We will cover the following topics in this video. Mapping of quality test group for production order operation, auto creation of quality check record once production order operation is completed, notification to quality department for quality check creation against completed production order, completion of quality check, and then we'll see status of production order operation on completion of quality check. Now for mapping of quality test group for production order operation, we need to log in to Brillbook with design user. Here I have already logged in with design user. Now our first step is to create production route and route steps. We have already created a video for creation of production route. Please refer creation of production route activity and production route video. So now I will show you the production route record that I have created earlier. For that, navigate to production menu, expand production menu, then click on route. I have created coupling route. So now I will open this record. I have also created production route steps for this production route. Navigate to route step. I will open this production route step record. Now on the production route step record, scroll down and at last you can see there is a field as quality test group. Select quality test group and then click on save button. Here you can see a quality test group has been successfully added for the production route step. Now go back to the production route detail page. Navigate to production route step tab and similarly follow the same procedure for the other route steps also to add quality test group for the production route steps, and then follow the steps that we have showed earlier into the video and then submit and approve the production route. Now we will see auto creation of quality check after completion of production operations. So now we will create a production order and then we will complete the production order operation. For that now we will log in with production user. Now our next step is to create production order. I have already created a production order. I will open that production order record. I will open this production order record. Now we are on the detail page of production order and we can see status of our production order is approved by design. Now our next step is to complete our production operation. Before that, we will click on plan button to create our production operation. On click of plan button, you can see our production order operations are created and we have received the notification for the same. Now we will schedule our production order operation. Now we will click on schedule button. As you can see, status of our production order has been changed as inventory checked, and when we navigate to production order operations tab, we can see our operations are created. Now we will complete our production order operations. Now we will open a production order operation record. And then we'll complete our production order operation. So now on the detail page you can see there are different sections like basic and quality check. Status of our production order operation is new. Now we will schedule our production order operation. Click on the schedule button. Our production order operation is scheduled. Now navigate to Resource Job tab. You can see our resource job is created regarding to the production order operation. Select the resource job and then click on schedule button to complete or schedule the resource job, and then we'll select the resource job again and then click on complete button to complete our resource job. Now click on in progress button. Now select all the resource job and then click on completed button. We have completed our resource job, and now we will go back to the operation detail page. Here you can see a quality check has been auto created regarding the production order operation after we have completed the operation. Now our next step is to process this quality check. We have already created a video for completion of quality check. You can refer the creation of quick QC for production order video for further processing the quality check. Now I will complete this quality check record by logging in with quality user. We have received a notification regarding the creation of quality check for the operations after completing the operation. So now click on the notification bell icon and then open the QC record. Now I will complete this quality check. I have completed the quality check. Now we will go back to the production order operation and check status of production order operation. For that we will log in with production user. Now we are on the detail page of production order. Now we will go back, we will open the operation and check status for production order operation. As you can see, after completing the quality check for the production order operation, our status of production order operation has been marked as quality check completed. Now similarly follow the same procedure for other operations and then mark all them as quality check completed. So in this video we saw mapping of quality test group for production order operation, auto creation of quality check record once production order is completed, and then we saw completion of quality check, and then we saw status of production order operation after completion of quality check. Thank you.